If you're running an agency, you've probably figured out that there is one tool that can help you make a lot of money, and that tool is scoreapp.com. Now, you may have figured out 1 or 2 ways to make money with ScoreApp, but I want to give you all 8 ways that I'm seeing regularly with agency owners. Now, what is ScoreApp? ScoreApp is an online platform that allows you to set up quizzes, surveys, and scorecard marketing campaigns, and it makes it really, really easy. It allows you to set up a landing page, a quiz questionnaire, and dynamic results page, all within a matter of minutes. Now, this tool is incredibly easy to use and it's even fun. It's great when you show your clients, it's very impressive, and it gets immediate results. It powers performance marketing and it gives you lots of data to work with. If you've never tried scoreapp.com, the starting point is just getting a free account and having a look at some of the templates. It was actually set up by marketing experts who ran agencies as their background. So let's get into these 8 ways that agencies are making money with ScoreApp. So number 1, and what most people do straight away, is use the tool to generate warm, qualified leads for their own agency. This is where your agency grows simply because you've got an online assessment or an online scorecard marketing campaign that brings in leads to your agency. And the benefit of this is that if people come to you through that campaign, they want one of those for their business as well. So generating more leads for your agency is just an easy win. Now, if you're a busy agency owner, what you're going to really love here is that the leads are strong. These are leads that already know you, like you, and trust you because they've come through a qualifying process. By filling in an online assessment, they're not just like any other lead that might have seen a piece of content. This is someone who has engaged with you in a meaningful way, and now they really want your solutions. And the best thing is it showcases exactly how your agency operates. It's going to have your visual identity, it's going to have your strategic thinking baked in, and it's going to just be nice and smooth because it runs on scoreapp.com. Now, the second way that people make a lot of money with ScoreApp is to pre-qualify their leads, because that allows them to free up a lot of time where they're not talking to the wrong people and they can double down on the right people. See, one of the things that we encourage you to do is that when people fill in your online assessment, there are pre-qualifying questions baked into the online quiz that allow you to be able to cherry pick who you want to spend the most time with. Now, it's always the case that the client who spends $500 is way more demanding than the client that spends $50,000. And one of the tricks to being a very successful agency is to not take on those little clients in the first place if you know they're going to be a hassle. What you really want to do is spend your time with a smaller number of the right clients. As a result of doing that, you're going to get better results, you're going to have more fun, and you're going to scale your agency. So use scoreapp.com to just make that whole thing automated so you can pre-qualify your leads effortlessly. So number 3 is to build ScoreApp campaigns for your clients. So here's the thing. If someone became a client with your agency by filling in an online assessment and they filled in those pre-qualification questions and now they've signed up to your agency, one of the first things that they're going to want for their business is a scorecard marketing campaign. They're going to want to have one of those online assessments on their website. And the beautiful thing is this is an easy first project that gets you a win straight away. Because if you do this as one of the first projects, you're going to collect so much data that allows you to expand what you can do with that client. So most agencies that are using ScoreApp to win business themselves are recommending ScoreApp as the first project that they do with all of their clients. Now, in that piece of work, you're going to be in charge of building a beautiful landing page, coming up with the quiz questions, and having the dynamic results. You'll be in charge of the strategy, you'll launch it, and you'll get immediate results and immediate data that comes straight through there. Most good quality clients that you're going to sign up, they're going to be able to post it on their LinkedIn or their Instagram, or they're going to be able to launch it to their email database, and they're going to get straight away some segmentation, some data, and some insights that are going to be incredibly valuable. And from there, you can expand with that client. So I really encourage you to make money by just building scorecard marketing campaigns with your clients. Now, if your clients have never seen scoreapp.com before, they are going to be blown away by how much gets done so quickly. They're going to see a landing page, they're going to see quiz questions, they're going to see a dynamic results page. They're going to scratch their head and think, how did you get this done in a matter of days? Now, a lot of agencies are charging $3,000 to $7,000 to set up one of these campaigns for their clients. They do all of the strategy, all the copywriting, all the design and imaging. They put it all together, they launch it, and it's an absolute quick win. And for $3,000 to $7,000, the client is ecstatic. Now, keep in mind, you're probably only paying ScoreApp $40 or $50 a month in order to host that. So all of the upside's yours to keep. The fourth way really pushes your prices up, and that is when you launch a waiting list. Now, if you launch a waiting list for your future capacity, let's say you launch a waiting list for people who want to work with you in the year ahead, all of a sudden you've now got a lot of signaled interest relative to your capacity, and you can pick and choose the customers you want to bring off the wait list and into your books. You can also use waiting lists to launch a new product that you might have thought of. I've seen agencies using waiting lists to launch a new software that they're going to create. I've seen agencies use waiting lists to launch a an annual retreat that they're going to run. A waiting list is a powerful way to discover how many people on your database are interested in something new that you've got in mind. Now, at the moment, the hot topic is AI, and your agency is probably doing something with AI. Rather than launching it straight into the marketplace, launch a waiting list today to see who's interested in getting your agency to implement this new AI thing that you've got in mind. The beauty with a waiting list is there's a really low threshold for people signaling interest. In order for somebody to buy from you, they have to be 99% ready, but in order for someone to join the waiting list, they only have to be 10% ready. That means that you get a huge influx of interest and you can turn that interest into money. The great thing with a waiting list, you can either use a waiting list to launch something new, or you can use it to sell out your capacity a long way into the future. Wouldn't it be nice to have a 3 to 6 month waiting list with people waiting to start working with you? 5 is to run surveys. There are 2 ways to run surveys. The first is to run surveys within your industry, so you've got unique insights that position you as a market thought leader. And the second one is to run surveys with your clients. Now, a lot of big corporate clients, they will pay $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 for the survey process if you run the whole thing. And ScoreApp makes it incredibly easy. It used to be so time consuming setting up an online survey experience and collecting the data and analyzing the data, but ScoreApp does all of that automatically. So you could be charging your clients $5,000 to $15,000 to set up a survey activity that gives them unique market insights. All of the data that you collect is already analyzed and put together in nice little visual diagrams that ScoreApp produces automatically. So it makes it so easy for you to present that data back to your clients. Number 6 is to engage with communities. Now, a lot of your clients are going to have an online discussion group. They're going to have a Facebook group that they set up 5 years ago. They're going to have memberships that have gone a little bit cold, and you can use ScoreApp to re-engage these communities. A couple of things you can do is set up a challenge or a discussion group that re-engages the community and gets them buzzing again. Now, you could do this with your agency. You could actually engage a community around your agency. People used to host breakfasts and dinners and things like that, but now all of that happens online. So you could use this tool to engage a group of people around you as your agency, but also your clients will pay a lot of money if you can do this for them. The key to doing this is to run a scorecard marketing campaign that gets people buzzing. Some of the templates that we already have in the template library are specifically for this purpose. We've got discussion groups, we've got challenges. Have a look in the template library. You'll see specific tools designed to engage communities. Number 7 leverages the power of education. When you run a webinar, an event, a seminar for your clients or potential clients, you're going to get more business. Those businesses that run regular seminars and events, they are the ones that are winning more business and they're picking up educated clients. Now, with all of this data that we've been collecting in the steps 1 to 6, you can then present that back to people when you run a webinar as well. ScoreApp is brilliant for running the whole webinar registration process. We have specific templates that are designed to get people to register for a free webinar and not just give you their name and email address, but to answer 5 to 10 questions so you know who's actually showing up to the webinar. One of the most powerful things that I love to do is to have a look at that webinar data before I run the webinar. And often I can see who's a small business, who's a bigger business, who's struggling, who's confident, and I can tailor my webinar based on that data. Now, it's not just you that could run webinars. A lot of your clients, they want to run webinars as well, and you can run that whole marketing side of the process using scoreapp.com. And remember, if one of your clients is thinking of running a webinar, they've got plenty of other money to spend as well. They're going to want to run ads, they're going to want to promote the webinar, they're going to want to follow up with all of the people who went to the webinar. So this stimulates a lot of other work as well. The 8th way to make money with scoreapp.com is through the affiliate commissions. What's really cool is that we share up to 40% of our monthly recurring revenue with our top affiliates. Now, all you have to do is recommend scoreapp.com as a platform that you like and that you use, and your people who trust your judgment, they're going to subscribe, and then we're going to pay you an affiliate commission every single month. Some of the agencies that we work with, they recommend ScoreApp publicly and they get the affiliate commissions paid based on that. And some just sign up their clients as part of the campaign and they keep the 40% as part of that. Either way, based on volumes, if you get us a customer at scoreapp.com, we're paying 20 to 40% back to you as the affiliate. So there you have it. There are 8 different ways to make money with scoreapp.com if you're an agency. It's a little bit hard to be an agency at the moment because AI is squeezing things from one side and remote workers are squeezing from the other. But if you're smart and if you play your cards right and you adopt some of this sophistication, you're going to have an easy time having a successful agency in the year ahead. Before you move on to the next video that you're going to watch, sit down and have a think. How could you leverage these 8 ways to make money in your agency? I hope you found that interesting, and if one of those ways stood out, please mention it in the comments below. Give this video a like and a subscribe. Recommend this video to an agency that you admire, and I look forward to seeing you next time.